What's up, y'all? It's WIGSLY. Welcome to another episode. Tonight's going to be our first bike night episode. I'm really excited about it. I'm on the way over to Jeff's house. We're going to pick up Jeff, and we're going to go up to the Sharks Club in Waterford, Michigan. The Sharks Club is a bar that is owned by a gentleman who goes by the name of Boomer, who also owns Boomer's Bike Shop in Waterford, Michigan. They sell like really cool, like old classic Harleys and like heavily modified Harleys, like not new school modified Harleys, but like he's got like 1974 shovel heads in there. And hopefully we're gonna talk to Boomer. I'd like to do a spotlight on him as a local bike shop owner. You know, he also owns this bar that does this bike night. It's a cool bike night. His bar's cool. They have a classic car night and they have a bike night. He's got pool tables. There's a decent sized little arcade in there. It's a pretty cool scene too. Every time I've been up there, it's really chill. We're gonna meet some friendly people up there and we can talk to them about their bikes and spread a little local word about the channel here. Yeah. I like Jeff's bike tent. I'm starving to death. I feel like if I don't eat in the next like 30 minutes that I will actually literally die. This road is terrible, and like, what are you doing? Okay. Ooh. That made my tire just slick enough to bust the back end loose a little bit. There goes Jeff. Speed Demon Jeff. It's kind of right between us, but I didn't mind meeting him here. I mean, who minds riding their bike a little more? I waited all day to get on my bike. All right. Cool trike. Yeah, decent amount of bikes here. Effing sweet, man. Harley. Well, this is cool. Why you? There we go. She needs coaxing once in a while. How you doing, man? Hey, can I give you one of these? YouTube and such. Yeah, I'm local around here, and I'm just starting my channel, and so this is my first bike night episode. Is that yours?
Yeah.
What is it?
Ultra Limited.
Cool. What year?
2010.
Sweet.
Last bike night of the year. Slow. And racing a buddy, threw it in a bitch to an 85 and fucking made it to the bar, but the guy was racing was John Atherton, so his family owned ABC.
Okay. Yeah, they just sold it, right?
Yeah, so he gave me a good, they just sold for them.
WIGSLY.
WIGSLY.
This is Jeff.
Nice to meet you, bud.
Nice to meet you, man.
Yeah, for sure.
That tells me Super Glide.
It's not a big frame, though. It's not. It's a bigger frame than what they're putting.
Weren't that big.
The bike on a whole is pretty big. This might be one of the coolest sissy bars I've ever seen.
What are you gonna get?
Beer.
Helmet. She got a helmet. I got her a black one, but then she didn't like the black ones.
This dog has speed goggles.
Got goggles. No
Doggles.
way.
They're called doggles.
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 I'm sorry, doggles.
Doggles. We got her.
And she's a therapy dog?
She's a rescue from her hurricanes. In
Okay.
Florida. So she's named Daffy. I didn't name her Daffy. It's not exactly a biker name. Yeah.
It's cool. It's a
Look,
road
she's
name,
official.
right?
Look, that's her road name.
Road
That's
name.
her real name. Her road name is Bad. Nothing to beard. Real bikers.
That is one accessorized dog.
Oh, you know, I got her some outfits. I got her a little hoodie over there in case it gets cold. She gets
I
cold.
think that dog could give you a run for money in accessories, Jeff.
Yeah? Probably.
Oh, so cute! I'm gonna venture a wild guess that that's that lady's bike. Let's see. I'm gonna guess that this is where the puppers rides. That's awesome. That lady's bike's way nicer than mine.
All right, what's your name, man?
My name's Chris.
Chris, and this is a big dog, you said?
Yep, 2002 Big Dog Pit Bull.
Okay, how many cc is it?
1750.
1750. Shaft, chain, or belt?
Belt.
Belt. Strip ass?
Oh yeah.
Hell yeah, man.
Way
Oh
fast.
yeah, well you have a good ride. You stay safe, man.
Yep, you too.
Our buddy won a trophy for best bike in what division specifically?
Custom
Custom?
class.
Awesome. What was your name, man?
Jason.
Jason? Awesome, man. This is a sweet bike. What exactly is it?
It's a 17 Road Glide Special, matching front rear 180, 18-inch rims. Got a cam in it, pushing 114 horsepower, 124 foot-pounds of torque at the wheel, not at the motor.
Jesus.
Shout out to Boomer, man. I'm looking forward to talking to you soon. I'm looking forward to, you know, showing everybody on YouTube what you're all about, man, because you add just a ton of value to our local motorcycle community. And I, for one, appreciate the hell out of it, man. Boomer's a really cool dude. Sharks Club's a really cool place. That bike night is really cool. Everybody's really nice. That's what I'm all about with motorcycles, is the community. You know, we're all brothers and sisters on two wheels. And I don't care what you ride or who you are. If you're cool and you got a bike, let's ride together, man. Let's talk about bikes. Let's do stuff with bikes. We met one of the guys when we first pulled up, ended up winning in the custom category. His bike was dope. I was really glad to catch him on the way out. Shout out to you, dude. His buddy's got a Sportster that I might be interested in. Sharks Club, Waterford, Michigan. If you are Metro Detroit local, Thursday nights, come up to the Sharks Club in Waterford. If you come out, come up and say hey to me, man. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it off there, you guys. Pretty simple episode. It's a bike night. You go up there with your bike. There's other people up there with their bikes. You talk about bikes. You enjoy your bike night. That's bike night. Part of my channel. Thanks for checking in. If you like what you see, like the video, subscribe to the channel. I'm WIGSLY. I'll see you on the road.